Everyone loves listening to music. We listen to it when we are happy or when we are sad. It can make us feel better and it can make moments more special. There is always a perfect song for every moment. For example, there are some songs that are great for driving and others that are amazing for parties and dancing. We can even listen to slow music at a serious event or when we aren't feeling well. My favorite music genres are pop, rock, and indie. It is music that is very easy to listen to in the car, at home, or while doing exercise. Also, it is great to sing along to. I think that this is why these genres are so popular. There are also other genres like hip-hop, soul, reggae, country, rap, or classical music. I don't like these genres so much because they are more intense and it is quite difficult to sing along to the songs. I love going to see artists singing live. I love going to concerts and festivals, but I think that I prefer concerts because you can sit down on a seat. At a festival, you have to stand up, and if you want to go to the toilet or to buy a drink or some food, you can't go back and stand at the same place. When you go to a festival, you need to stand for hours in the same place for this reason. I like going to festivals in the United Kingdom in the summer because the weather is normally sunny and warm. Nowadays, there is a lot of electronic music, which is great for parties. There are a lot of festivals in Europe that are for people who like electronic music, and a lot of famous DJs go to play their songs. At the moment, there are also a lot of rappers in the charts, which is the list of the top 40 songs. Rap is not one of my favorite genres, but I think that the lyrics are very clever. It is very difficult to write the lyrics and sing them so quickly. What do you think about today's music? Let me know in the comments below. I usually listen to music on my mobile phone or on the radio when I am in my car. I use platforms like YouTube or Spotify because they are free to use. I don't use CDs because it is an old-fashioned way to listen to music. Also, it is quite expensive. I sometimes only like one song of an artist, not all of their songs, and I don't want to buy their album. Do you still buy CDs, or do you use streaming platforms like me? I like listening to the radio because you can listen to new songs that you didn't know before. I know that some people don't like the radio because there are adverts, but it is the same as YouTube, for example, so I don't mind. My favorite radio station is one that plays music from the 80s. I think that the 80s has the best music. There are a lot of great hits that are still amazing to listen to in this decade. My parents listen to this music a lot, so I listen to it quite often. What decade do you think had the best music? I know how to play the guitar a little bit, and I went to guitar classes for a few years, but I think that it is quite difficult to play a musical instrument when you live in a flat, because it is very noisy for your neighbours. I would love to learn how to play the drums or the piano. It is possible to learn to play these instruments online by watching YouTube videos, but it is difficult to stay motivated. Also, I only have a guitar in my house, not a piano nor a drum set. Now we are going to be seeing some questions, and I want you to write the answers in the comment box below, and I will correct your answers. The first one is, what is your favorite type of music? Which decade do you think had the best music? How do you listen to music? Do you still use online streaming platforms, or do you use CDs? What musical instrument would you like to learn to play? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.